Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shwakt Ali. This is the first video of ChatMe app. So in this video we are going to create Android Studio new project. So first of all, click on this start new Android Studio project. Select the empty activity and click on next. Choose the name. Let's say I select here chat app instead of ChatMe app. And select here Java language. Make sure you have select 6.0 Marshmallow and click on finish. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, our Android Studio is ready. Now we will add the dependency and set up our Android Studio to Firebase. So open Gradle script and here we will add the dependency. So I have already prepared dependencies. Here you can see Firebase dependency. We will add these three dependency for Firebase. So here we will add the dependency. Okay, the last one is Firebase UI. Okay, now click on sync now. While connecting the Android Studio to our Firebase, it will automatically add this dependency. But I am using old versions of Firebase, so that's why I added it separate. So now close this file and go to our tool and select Firebase. Okay, now go to our authentication. Here click on email and password. Now first we have to connect our Android Studio to Firebase. So click here. Okay, now we will create a new Firebase project. So I will select create new Firebase project and click on connect to Firebase. It's just connected to Firebase, not adding the dependency because I have already added the dependency of Firebase. Okay, now it's get the Firebase JSON file. So now click on add Firebase authentication to your app. Accept changes. It will automatically add the dependency, but I have already added. You can see here Firebase authentication is added. Okay, now go back and select the real-time database. Save and retrieve the data. Add real-time database to your app. Accept changes. Okay, now it will add the real-time database dependency. Now select the storage and update and download the file. Okay, now it's already done because dependency of storage is already added. You can see here. So go back. Now select here Android. Make sure you have select the project and here you have to confirm that our JSON file is added or not. Otherwise later we will get the error. So here you can see there is no JSON file is available in this app folder. So when I run this application it will show the error. Here you can see JSON file missing. So you have to go to our browser and open Firebase console. Okay, now here you have to select that chat app. You can see here is the chat app. So open this chat app. Okay, choose data sharing and settings, accept the. Okay, now click here, settings, project settings. Here we have to download the JSON file. Here you can see download JSON file. So click here. Okay, now select the folders and copy this file and go to over Android Studio again. Now under this app folder you have to paste this JSON file. Okay, perfect. Now run the application again and let's see either over Android Studio showing any error or not. Okay, you can see here over Android Studio successfully installed the application. There is no error available in this Android Studio. So over Android Studio successfully connected to our Firebase. So go back to our Android. Now finally we will add the dependency of materials. So go to our text and copy the material dependency. You can copy this dependency from Google. Under this Firebase UI we will add the dependency of material. So now click on the sync now, because we have to design few screens, so that's why I'm using the material dependency. Okay, now our Android Studio is ready to code. So later if we need any other dependency we will add. So in the next video we will create our splash screen. So see you in the next video. Take care.